myself Prashant Pandey. I am the research scholar of Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology, University, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I am here representing in IAHS 25 my research paper. The topic of my research paper is post-monsoon water quality assessment of water sources of Bhopal city using artificial intelligence and machine learning tools, a new insight. What we have done in our study, we have studied water quality of 5 groundwater sources and 4 surface water sources of Bhopal city over an year. For this study, we have selected 16 physico-chemical parameters, and these parameters were determined by the methods given in IAHS 23rd 2017 edition, and we have compared the result with the WHO 2022 and Bureau of Indian Standards. We have found that there was a high content of iron and manganese in all water sites, and we also found BOD and COD is high in surface water sources. The WQI is high over a range, but the IWQI of the irrigational water is safe within the limit. I want to propose that the drinking water requires a treatment before a use, and irrigation water is safe for the use. Thank you very much.